Best Powerline adapters ensure stable, high-speed internet through existing wiring, ideal for seamless streaming, gaming, and multi-device connectivity. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline adapters review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi Extender TL. The TP-Link Home Plug AV2 Powerline adapter is a game changer for extending home networks where Wi-Fi or traditional extenders fall short. Using your existing electrical wiring, it delivers AV 1000 speeds across distances up to 750 feet, effortlessly penetrating thick walls, basements, attics, and garages. Ideal for multi-story homes, it ensures stable wired connectivity where routers alone struggle. With dual-band Wi-Fi 5, it provides up to 867 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, making HD streaming, online gaming, and large file downloads smooth and uninterrupted. The integrated gigabit Ethernet port secures wired connections for desktops, smart TVs, and consoles, while additional devices can be added via switch. The pass-through design lets you plug in devices directly, maximizing outlet usability. Setup is truly plug-and-play. Just pair 2 adapters on the same electrical circuit. TP-Link's commitment to security, aligned with CIS's Secure by Design pledge, ensures your network remains protected. This adapter is a reliable, high-speed solution for seamless connectivity throughout the home. Now our second product is Nexus Link G.HN Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. The Nexus Link Powerline Ethernet adapter transforms any standard electrical outlet into a high-speed, reliable network connection, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and remote work. By leveraging your home or office wiring, it delivers a stable Ethernet connection without the hassle of running long cables, ensuring uninterrupted internet from multiple devices. Designed with advanced LDPC/FEC technology, this adapter minimizes lag, reduces dropped frames, and provides smooth, buffer-free online gaming and HD streaming experiences. Its gigabit Ethernet capability ensures fast, consistent speeds, even in busy network environments. Expansion is simple. Up to 16 compatible Powerline devices can be connected for complete coverage, making it ideal for multi-story homes or office setups. Utilizing G.HN Wave 1 technology with MIMO dual-phase support, Nexus Link ensures maximum performance and reliability. Installation is plug-and-play. Just connect the units to power and devices, and your network is ready. With Nexus Link's commitment to quality and innovation, this adapter provides seamless connectivity and superior performance for modern, high-demand internet users. Our third product is TP-Link AV600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. The TP-Link TL PA4010KIT is a compact yet powerful solution for extending high-speed wired internet throughout your home. Delivering data transfer rates up to 600 megabits per second, it's perfect for HD and 3D video streaming, online gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive applications. By using your home's existing electrical wiring, it eliminates the need for new cables, drilling, or complex setups, turning any power outlet into a reliable network point up to 300 meters away. Setup is plug-and-play. Simply connect one adapter to your router and the other wherever you need wired internet. Its miniature design blends discreetly with outlets, making it unobtrusive in any room. The TLPA4010KIT also features an intelligent power-saving mode, reducing energy consumption by up to 85% when idle. Compatible with all TP-Link AV Powerline adapters, it ensures seamless network expansion and reliable connectivity. With a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and 24/7 technical support, this adapter combines convenience, efficiency, and high performance for modern connected homes. Now number 4, TrendNet Powerline 1300 AV2 Adapter Kit. The TrendNet Powerline 1300 AV2 Adapter Kit is an exceptional solution for expanding high-speed internet using your home's existing electrical wiring. With 2 included adapters and support for up to 8 on a single network, it effortlessly delivers fast and stable connections to computers, smart TVs, and other network-enabled devices, making 4K streaming, gaming, and large file transfers smooth and uninterrupted. Powered by Powerline 1300 technology and a gigabit Ethernet port, this kit provides reliable wired connectivity without the hassle of new cables or drilling. Its MIMO technology with beamforming leverages live, neutral, and ground wires to maximize performance between adapters, ensuring consistent speeds across multiple devices. Installation is plug-and-play. Just connect the adapters, and they auto-link instantly. NDA compliance makes it suitable for government environments in the US and Canada. TRENet stands behind its products with 3 years of manufacturer protection and responsive English-speaking tech support. For homes and offices seeking secure, high-speed networking without complicated setups, this kit delivers performance, reliability, and peace of mind. And our last choice is Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit. This Powerline AV2 adapter is a powerful solution for extending your internet connection using existing household electrical wiring, perfect for areas where Wi-Fi struggles. Designed with IEEE 1901 and IEEE 802.3 standards, it delivers true gigabit wired speeds, making it ideal for 4K streaming, gaming, and connecting smart TVs or consoles without lag or buffering. Its advanced MIMO with beamforming technology enhances performance by directing signals efficiently through your home's wiring, ensuring stable and consistent coverage across rooms. Unlike wireless extenders, this is not a Wi-Fi device, meaning you get a more secure and interference-free wire connection. The built-in noise-filtered pass-through outlet maintains top performance while allowing you to use the same power socket for other devices. Setup is effortless. Just plug in the adapters, and they connect automatically within minutes. With the ability to expand using multiple adapters, this device offers a scalable, high-speed networking solution for modern homes demanding reliability and seamless connectivity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.